Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you cannot print a document and the printer driver is unavailable on Windows 10 guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. Expand the print queues, expand it, and select the printer you having a problem with. You just want to locate the printer and you just want to right click it and click update driver and click browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from available list available drivers on my computer. Click on it and select the top model over here. Click next, and Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close out of here, and you just want to restart both of your computer and printer same time, and after that your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.